Understanding a new code base or using a new tool can sometimes feel insanely overwhelming. It's like digging through a mountain of noise. And honestly, it just kills your momentum. The thing that annoys me about so many other like AI tools is that you need to learn how to use them. They take time. There's diagnostic, there's a bunch of different issues that you need to get through. But check this out. This is Codewords, and it connects your repo and just lets you, talk to it. Literally just write a prompt, suggestion mode. Like there's so many different things that it lets me do, and it literally suggests things for me in case I don't even know what I want to do. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use this to cut out the busy work, understand complex projects instantly, and actually get back to building. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to look at all of the different functions that this tool lets me use, how easy it is, and just like see how it actually benefits me. So just straight off the bat, the moment we come into this website, it literally asks me to turn ideas into workflows, which is pretty much essentially exactly what an entrepreneur wants to do, right? And on top of that, it's even got a suggestion mode, right? So it will literally build you workflows. It tells you what the most important things that AI automations are normally used for. So that could be monitoring, enriching, scraping, analyzing, extracting, or generating. It lets you connect in the website or platform that you want to integrate, detects when specific action occurs. So, as I've been teaching you guys, it could be a trigger, or it could be a manual workflow. It could be based on anything. It could be automated, and then sends it to a destination. So this is just an example, but there's literally hundreds of different things that it could do. And then underneath, if you just scroll down, the Codewords actually learns based off of the automations that you make, what kind of person you are, what kind of stakeholder you are. So based on my role, it thinks that I'm a business owner and founder, which I am. And it literally has different things suggested for me based off of what other people in the community, or based off of what Codewords developers have actually built out for them, right? And then we can just remix it. So it's got an X comment suggestion, it's got comprehensive person finder, it's got a Gmail AI labeler. So it's building you an AI workflow for your emails to filter out all of the important work, the unimportant work. And for my clients, I literally teach the same thing, but doing it manually. So this would save hours in a week just to focus on more productive work. And then below, it's got hundreds of other templates. It's got the featured ones, it's got WhatsApp templates, it's got productivity templates, analytics, which are so important for remaining like data driven rather than emotionally driven, and even marketing ones. It's got so many different tools. So today, let's just have a look at one of them, because I've never actually looked at these the templates. I normally just build my own ones because it's just so easy with Codewords. You know what? Let's just go with this one, competitor insights. It's always a good idea in business to have a look at what your competitors are doing. So if I just move my camera up there to that corner, it comes with instructions. Wow, it comes with how it works. It tells me what it does, what you get, and how others have been using it in the past. So it's got all of these different integrations that it's connected to. So it's got a chroming section, which you have to build with Codewords, so that Codewords can actually come into your browser and start analyzing things and doing things for you. Then it's got the different inputs, then you just run it and you get specific outputs. So this is amazing. And you know what's cool? Based off of the information that you've got given here, like instructions, how it works, and etc., what ends up happening is you can then automate, or customize that. So for example, what I normally do, just to be quick with my time, I try to go into an AI tool, something like Gemini, right? And I'll ask Gemini, and what I'll do is I'll teach Gemini like the way I actually do my business. So it has all of the information as to what I do, what platforms I use, what my workflows are. So Gemini actually knows what my business is. And I'll just say, Gemini, this is an automation that I have been suggested. Can you tailor it to my business workflow? And look, Gemini will literally fix that all up for me so that it's literally building exactly what my business needs. Now, obviously, you don't just trust AI to get the work done for you. So you read through it, you tailor it again, and then you feed it back into this bot so that it actually works for you, your specific requirement. So for example, imagine I just went straight into Codewords and I just copy and pasted it, right? I'm running low on time. My business is taking a lot of the information. I want to see how smart Codewords actually is. Like, can it actually take all of the information that I'm giving it, even if it's not designed for Codewords, and as a human, an intelligent human, can it similarly start to extract the things that I want from it and provide me back the things that are valuable? And notice I'm not context switching here, right? Normally I'd be tapped out searching through documentation or pestering like a developer on my team. But by keeping the workflow inside Codewords, I stay in this flow. It's just me and Cody talking. That's exactly it. And this is exactly how you remove friction from software engineering. You basically let the AI agent handle all of the grunt work. And as I'm speaking, it's been like maybe 15 seconds and Cody has already generated me something that looks very good. Like it's integrated with Slack, integrated with documentation, it's doing AI generation for gap analysis. This is amazing. And it's asking me a question here: which platform should I track your competitors on? I would like it to be tracked on Instagram. Who are my 3 competitors? I don't know, let's just say Dan Martel, Alex Hormozy, and let's say Ross Harkness. And how do I want it delivered? So it's already connected via Slack, but you know what? I check my emails every morning, so it would be good if you send it to me via email, Cody, and I want it weekly. And you see what AI is doing right now is it's tracing the logic path across multiple files, right? So if you deal with legacy code or spaghetti code, then you know this nightmare scenario. Trying to hold 20 different file dependencies in your head at one time is like chaos, man. You just won't do it effectively. Codewords creates a mental model of the entire repository instantly. See, it's not just writing code, it's actually reasoning through the system architecture so that I don't have to. Perfect. Yeah, so build it first and test it later. Let's go. So look, this is what it's building for me. It scrapes the last 10 Instagram posts from my top competitors. It uses AI to analyze their content through the differentiation filter, which is what I do. And then it generates a gap analysis showing where your work less and KPI dashboard approach fills the void. Amazing. So it's done so much of the thinking for me because I integrated Gemini and Codewords together. Finally, it will email me the confidence building report weekly. And look, in the background, it's writing the code, it's thinking, again, seeing issues. So it's rewriting the code, thinking, and again, writing code and thinking. It's doing so much back and forth that would have taken me days, if not weeks, had I given it to a developer. Because with human interaction, I need to find time for my developer to be free. He needs to find time for me to be free, whereas Cody is just understanding it by himself. He's understanding what my outcomes are and he's reverse engineering the path forwards, helping me find the bug. Look guys, throughout the workflow, right, I've only sent it a couple of things, and in this workflow it's still going through finding the bugs, it's visualizing the workflow, and it's fixing some of the error handling without me even having to think about it. And whilst I'm doing this in the background, I'm communicating with my clients. I'm not wasting my time on this. Cody is doing all of the grunt work and he's just asking me questions for clarification. I love the fact that it finds the bugs for me. Like, it's so useful. The thing that I love the most about Cody, when I'm looking at the actual workflow, when I have a second, I can see that Cody is fixing the issue, but on top of that, this section literally says that there are normal issues, everything's working fine, but he's just checking one more time just to see if there's any issues. That's even a step ahead of so many of the testers that I've used in my corporate career. There you go, finished. Now it's just asking me for my email. Let me give it my personal. Now it's running the workflow and it's actually sending me the email directly. Let's see it do it. Look, you can see, wow, look, it's literally showing me what step it's doing live. Let me quickly authorize my Gmail, just sign in. Wow, it's already factor authenticated. I'll let it select all of them and continue. There you go, successfully connected. We go back here. Yes, I've connected it. There you go. So now it's testing it again because I before forgot to connect to my Gmail. It's now sending the gap analysis via email. I'm very excited to see what it actually does. Perfect. So now the email was sent. Let me just quickly check my emails. I'll go to Gmail and there you go. It's sent to myself. It's got the whole gap analysis from Dan Martel, who I specifically identified. It's got the confidence builder. It's got my gap. It gives me the entire information for how I can beat my competitors. This is incredible, guys. I hope you see how valuable this is. This literally took me 15 minutes to build out the entire thing. I was doing my own work in the background. I personally believe that Codewords is the future. I've spent so many years building on NAN. It took me so much time, cost me so much money to learn, whereas Codewords does the exact same thing without me even knowing all of the intricate details. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys go test out Codewords. I'll leave the link to Codewords in my description below. See you guys later.